Alright, so this is the power line that's down. On what street are we on? On
Thiessen?
Thiessen? Yeah. We are on Thiessen. And we're going toward Hill. Yep. So here's Hill. This is our street. So see why we don't have any power. And everything sure does look pretty now with the sky anyway. You can see the ruins of the ice storm. It's just crazy. Another line that's down up here. Collapsed tree on top of a wire. It's just right up a couple houses up from ours. It doesn't look like the wire snapped, but it definitely does not look good. Right here on your left. Right there. Right here. Yeah, it's pretty gnarled. Oh yeah, and these guys too. These are just being held up by the electrical cords.
Look at this tree right here.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it got like uprooted. Oh my gosh. And then our neighbor's tree. There's our house right there. This is our neighbor's tree. There's our house. We don't have any trees above our house. We are extremely lucky. And it's extremely smart on this guy's part to not invest in a home like that. So yeah, we're now heading toward Fred Meyer on Oak Grove, where supposedly they have power now, but I think it's like an urban legend. A neighbor told me that, so we'll see if that's true. We're gonna go to Freddy's now. This is just incredible. The aftermath. I mean, like, when we went driving, I probably should have recorded this, or before when we went driving, when it was, yeah, when it was still white everywhere. Look at the corner here, this tree.
But you have to, but if you want to have to, like, do something.
I think that's gonna conclude my video for today. What's the date today? Today the 15th? Yeah, today's Monday the 15th of February 2021. There's Fred Meyer with a bunch of broken stuff. Doesn't look bad though. They stayed open throughout the whole thing, so.
Everybody is down?
Alright. That's that.
This light's back on. That's cool.
Oh yeah, all the lights were out. That's for sure. It's crazy. Alright. Bye-bye.